At that Amazon truck, eastbound on Meineke from 60th. Still going eastbound. Amazon truck taking in the robbery, eastbound. Stand by, we're going to be going northbound on 56, off of Meineke. Still northbound, speeds 45. Approaching Lisbon. Going eastbound on Lisbon, slowing in traffic, stand by. Still eastbound on Lisbon. Wrong way to disregard. Eastbound on Lisbon, 54th Street. Traffic medium. Speed's 40. Stand by, he's on the wrong side of the road. Still eastbound, approaching 51st. Eastbound on 51st. Through the intersection, going past District 3. All over the road. Still eastbound, speed 60. Getting caught up in traffic here by 175. Wrong side of the road, stand by. Disregards the red. He's going to get on to 175. 175 south. Here we go. Speed's 50. Road's clear. Traffic light. Vehicle is a blue Amazon with a police number of X-ray 17. License plate X-ray Edward 29707. We are still eastbound. We just passed a squad that I would hope would come behind me here. Still southbound, southbound is stand by. Speed 70. Traffic is clear. Road's clear. Appears to be one black male driving. Matches the description given. I know I'm on District 4. I know I'm on District 4. Sorry, I'll jump to 7. Actually, I'll jump to 3. 857 for the air on 3. In pursuit of an Amazon truck that was taking a robbery. We are southbound on 175. Roads are clear, speeds are 69. We're still eastbound. Notify the sheriffs, please. Okay, we're going to be connected 94 eastbound. Connector ramp at the stadium here. It's going to go east on 94. I can't hear whoever's talking. Alright, we're eastbound on 94. Traffic is medium. Roads are clear. Stand by, here we go, eastbound still. Approaching 35th Street exit. Don't be surprised if he tries to do the old okey-doke. And nope, you're going to be 35th Street exit. Stand by, see which way he's going. Alright, now we're going northbound on 35. 35, crossing over the freeway. Let's see, speeds 45, crossing Mount Vernon. Speeds 48. Stolen Amazon truck. Wisconsin plate X-ray Edward 29707. Fleet number X-ray 17. Still northbound on 35. Approaching Michigan. We're crossing Michigan. Approaching Wisconsin Avenue. Stand by. Eastbound on Wisconsin from 35th Street, north past Marquette High School. 65, roads clear, traffic light. Slowing down. Okay, I got a District 3 squad coming up here. Approaching 27, light is green. Stand by, which way is he going to go? Through the red light. And 27, still eastbound. Stand by, guys.
Now 6 authorized.
857, we're still eastbound. Stand by. Around these brakes. We're approaching 24th. We're going to go northbound on 24. 24 northbound.
7201, I'll monitor 3 cars, traffic.
Stand by, we're going to be going westbound on Wells.
814 signal monitoring.
Stand by, we're at 25 and Wells. This guy's got to be whacked. Stand by. Car's blocking him in. Oh, now we get out of the way. Stand by. Here we go. Northbound on 25.
259 north third. 1 black male in the truck driver's seat looks like.
857, that's all I saw was one person driving. Nobody else in the vehicle. We're approaching 26 westbound. And we're going to be going southbound on 26 from Wells. Make that kill one, sorry. Approaching Wells, southbound. Now we're going to be going eastbound on Wells.
Marquette, can you get stop 6 on there?
Southbound on 25. He's stopping, but I don't know what he's going to do here. Stand by. Don't get too close. Yep, take it off. Southbound. Stand by, we're approaching Wisconsin. Westbound on Wisconsin Avenue. Westbound Wisconsin, wrong side of the road. Approaching 27 westbound. Stand by, we're going southbound. 27 from Wisconsin. He's swerving, acting like a jack here. He's recklessly endangering safety, making other oncoming traffic swerve. We are approaching, crossing St. Paul onto the viaduct. Speeds are 70. Traffic is medium, roads clear. Wanted for robbery, Amazon truck, Wisconsin plate, X-ray, Edward 29707. Fleet number, X-ray 17, 1 occupant. Still southbound, getting towards the end of the viaduct, crossing Evergreen, approaching National.
3269, we can be forth there, we can take your broadcast if that's alright with 7472.
Stand by. Here we go. We're at Pierce, through the red, crossing Pierce, still southbound, and now it's stand by. He's entering the parking lot here at the 700 block of South Caesar Chavez. I'm sorry, South Lee. Still wandering through the parking lot. We might be running out of options here. Stand by. Cars are getting out of the way of the parking lot. Speeds 10 miles an hour. Getting out on the National. We're going to be going west on National.
Going to 814 is now monitoring.
Going northbound.
814, always 3 cars.
Give me the air. Here we go, northbound on 28 from National. Road's clear. He's turning right to go eastbound on Pierce, approaching 27 or Wheaton Boulevard again. Stand by, red light. He's slowing down. He's entering the intersection, crossing. All right, we're going to be back to the northbound on 27, approaching the viaduct.
Hey, one of our secondaries here that have 2 people broadcasting.
There he's going. After median.
We are all primary and we're secondaries going southbound on 27th Street. 3269. We're still don't take the broadcast. Coming up to 24. Alright, he's eastbound in the alley, guys. Eastbound in the alley. Going to 26 from Pierce. 1 block south of Pierce. He's coming, he's coming to Pierce, guys. He's coming to Pierce. 69, we're primary. We're coming through the doors now, northbound. Speeds are 20. Roads are dry, no traffic. 76 right there on that exit, guys. He's going to come right out to you. Perfect. Hey, 176 on the way we came in. 176 on the way we came in. All right, we're rolling back out towards the viaduct. Good try. All right, we're back on 27. Cross the viaduct back to District 3. If you ever see this Amazon truck wanted for armed robbery, speeds are 50. Roads are dry. No traffic is off to the side of the road. We have 6 on St. Paul. Get 6 at St. Paul if you can. Speeds are 70. Roads are dry. No traffic. Blue Amazon truck wanted for armed robbery. 6 on St. Paul. Back off a little bit. 6 on St. Paul. All right, coming up to St. Paul. He's going to try and go west on you. Guys. All right, speeds are. He's going to the gas station. Stop again. Coming through the gas station, BP lot. Back to 270. You stopped here. Back out and go north. Back into the gas station, guys. Stop 6 all around the gas station. Take it out. You stuck in the gas station. If you want to stop in the gas station, you need 270 to go.